Impressive video, right? You can also create stunning visuals like this using free tools. It's easier than you think. Are you looking for a powerful and completely free AI tool that helps you generate amazing images from text, craft creative prompts, and do so much more, all without spending a single penny? Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the official Vheer website. You can find the link in the description below. The interface is clean, modern, and super easy to navigate. No sign-up is required to start using most of the tools in mine. Yes, it's that simple. Let's start with the text-to-image generator. Just enter a detailed description of the image you want. I have written it. I want to create an image of a girl on the beach with a beautiful sky and light rain falling. Select your style or model. And hit generate. In a few seconds, Vheer's AI will create a beautiful image based on your prompt. It has generated an image exactly as I described in my prompt. First, let's tweak a prompt to see how small changes can completely transform the output. For example, is a young woman standing on a serene beach at sunset, wearing a flowing white dress, soft light rain falling gently around her, dramatic golden and pink sky with scattered clouds, ocean waves softly crashing in the background, cinematic lighting, peaceful and emotional atmosphere. Just by adjusting keywords, the detail and style shift dramatically, giving you full control over the final look. You can click to preview or zoom in to see the high-quality details up close. Now, let me show you the creative range this tool offers. Anime characters, realistic headshots, cyberpunk cities, fantasy landscapes, oil painting, style portraits, pixel art, abstract designs, even product visuals. It really shows how sharp and artistic these AI-generated images can be. Whether you're an artist, a content creator, or just experimenting, Vheer unlocks a world of creativity for free. Now, while the text-to-image tool is powerful, there's something important to keep in mind. Your results depend heavily on how well you write your prompt. But what if you're not sure how to describe your idea clearly? Or you don't know where to start? That's a common challenge. And the good news is, there are 3 easy ways to get inspiration and create better prompts, even if you're a beginner. First, you can simply use tools like ChatGPT. Just ask it to write a prompt based on what you want to create. It's fast, flexible, and a great starting point. Second, Vheer's text-to-image tool actually has a built-in prompt suggestion feature. Just click on the little yellow inspiration button next to the prompt box. It gives you a random, ready-made idea to try out. I paste it into the generator, and here's what it creates. Super quick, and sometimes these random ideas are even better than what you had in mind. Third, and my personal favorite, is the image-to-prompt generator. If you have an image you like and want to create something in a similar style, just upload it. Vheer will analyze the visual details of the image and return a detailed, ready-to-use prompt you can paste directly into the generator. It's especially helpful when you want to replicate a specific mood, style, or concept from an existing image. So that was your full walkthrough of Vheer, one of the most underrated and powerful AI image tools available online. Whether you're an artist, a content creator, or just someone exploring the power of AI, Vheer has something for you. And the best part? It's totally free. Click the link in the description to try it out now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials.